What's up, guys? It's Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net, and today we're going to talk about things not to do in junk removal. And it was brought to my attention, actually, by my boy Junk Ashton, the owner of junkship.crm.com, which stands for
Cleaning Removal Service,
CRM. CRM. Yeah, we forgot the S. It doesn't matter, guys. So I want to talk to you about something. So it was brought to your attention why, and then I started doing some investigating about. So go ahead and tell them what happened.
So I was scrolling through YouTube, looking up for ideas of promotion and stuff, and I ran across this channel, Tyler Nash. And I watched one of his videos on passing out flyers and street signs and putting them out every job he does and putting them at doors and neighbors' doors and stuff like that. So I brought it up to Ricardo's attention and asked if that was a good idea.
And then I ran with it.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm doing the video.
Exactly.
So we're just going to do a summary really fast. Ashton here, the owner of junkship.crm.com, told me that he was looking at a video and saw this fella, Tyler Nash, and I'm going to put you down on blast, Tyler Nash. There's nothing wrong. I saw the video. You give a lot of great information. But this is him right here. This is Tyler Nash. And he's talking about street signs and flyers, okay? He puts them out, and he does it on a consecutive basis. He'll put 5 out like in a month or a week, and then put 5 out the next week and put 5 out. And he's always doing this. Now, I'm going to put a question out there to you. He apparently has some time to do this. Unlike a very busy business that we have, we don't even have time. And I'm going to ask this question without even looking at Ashton. But how many times have you ever seen me even hand out a business card?
0 times.
How many business cards are in the truck right now?
0.
And how many flyers are in the truck right now?
0.
And how many street signs have you ever seen me put out?
0.
All right, guys. It takes too much time to do these things. When you're busy moving from job to job, and we work 7 days a week, we literally work 7 days a week. We are open Monday through Sunday, 7 days a week. We do not stop. We are on consecutive basis working. I do not have time to go and even get these things printed, and I would design them myself. That's the weird thing about my brother owns a printing shop. Now, on the video, I did see it, and it was well edited. It was well, he talked really good on it. He makes a great point. He says to him that these will actually help you out in your business. There's people out there that need his help. And he says he doesn't run a Google Ads or Facebook campaign, but this is what he does. He puts out these street signs and he puts out these flyers. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. We don't have time for this stuff. And I'm going to tell you one more other secret. I don't think it's worth it. I think the money that you spend, the money doesn't come in using these services, guys. Listen, from day one, I've never used street signs. I've never used flyers from day one. I used these one big old business cards that I made one time, and I would give them out at people as a business card. But that's the only time I ever used it, and that's only when people ask, because I didn't like giving my information to people, because we always were staying busy anyway. Right now, if you go to Craigslist, we don't even post on Craigslist. We're not on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, everything's really done because of the website, the YouTube channels, or any of the social media that we have. But Facebook is something that we don't use, and we don't post a lot on Facebook at all. Listen, what I'm telling you is this. If your business is really, really busy, you don't have the time, and you don't need the business to do flyers, to do street signs. And if you're starting out your business, I'm going to tell you what you need to do better with your time. Instead of going and going to homes and putting these flyers and dealing with neighbors and people telling you, hey, we don't solicit, and getting in trouble that way, why don't you work on your website? Why don't you work on your social media? Why don't you work on getting your website ranked by putting actual good content on it? By updating your Google My Business account, by updating your website, by updating your pictures, by updating videos on your website. That's how to get ranked. Instead of going and dropping off a you know, flyers at people's homes or businesses and putting these street signs that apparently competitors are going to pick up anyway. Because we've done it before, we're messing around. We picked up 1-800-JUNK signs. We're messing around, kicking them around. It didn't matter to us. We don't care. The point is this. Use your time wisely. Use it on things that are going to move you in the future, not in the past. You know what's the past? I'm going to tell you what the past is. Paper products. Anything on paper is past, guys. Stay with the digital trends. Stay in the future. Website. Anything that goes with the computer that can help you accelerate your business. That's what you need to do. That's what you need to do to accelerate your business and go forward in your business. Instead of concentrating on flyers, instead of concentrating on street signs, spend your time wisely doing digital media online. It's way better, and the best thing about it, it's usually free. Typically free to open up a Facebook page, to build a website, and the amount of business that a website brings, it just pays for itself long term. Anyway, guys, Tyler Nash, again, I looked at your video. It was a great video. I liked it. I think it will help somebody. It's just not my flavor. It's not the way we do business here in Dallas, Texas. And in your city, it might be bad, but listen, I will tell you to check out this guy's videos online. He has only a few hundred subscribers. I did see that. Go to his page and check him out, guys. His name was Tyler Nash. He just started a YouTube channel. So there you go, guys. And don't forget, if you like my video, subscribe over there to the right side.